Yeah, I stopped short and I got a shot.
So either pick yellow house or
And then I have one mag, but I have a full speed loader, so that's why I'm gonna have to reload.
He's got a speed loader.
I got my 400.
Like 400 rounds.
I have this one.
like people up there.
I'll go to the one up there.
I don't get come down
To that side, because you eventually need to cover whoever is getting those barrels.
We're gonna have to make a mad dash.
Alright, we're straight red. Straight red. Yeah.
No rescue.
No, he's not. Oh, which
More
one?
like we run after him.
He's got a camera, we don't shoot cameras. We don't shoot at
Guns
cameras.
off safely. 5 points.
Yeah.
Mine's already on.
Watch out, they're gonna run.
Red.
Watch those guys right there.
That's what I thought.
Oh, I can see
Run and shoot. Run and shoot.
So just, you guys run, I'll shoot.
Come on.
Sniper rifle, just take them out way back there.
Yeah, they're gonna move as soon as they
Basically what I'm doing, I just have a 24 now. No optics, so. I'm not gonna lie.
Watch him blow it right now and I'm not ready.
Yeah? You read that though.
I'm gonna cramp up.
Not a field, they just read that.
Come on.
It'd be really hard to take pictures with that mask on.
Oh, hit!
Brent, I want you watching this outside corner for me. The outside corner, watch it. Stay low. They can shoot right through. We're just a deterrent. If you guys haven't seen yet, there's a guy behind that green cover in front of us. Brent, I need you to see if you can get that guy behind the green cover. Yeah, I'm gonna come out.
This is a horseshit spot, ain't it?
Well, we're just keeping them from moving up here. Because if they get this house, then we're fucked. Watch that corner. Make sure he's not gonna try running up bang killing us. Hey, can you see the guy out there shooting at me?
Brian, you gotta keep an eye over here too, so I'm not getting fucking lit up from here.
He's hit.
Come on. I'll go now.
Oh, my goggles are fogging up.
God, I just want to like stick my gun over him and light him up, but I can't.
It's that girl with the MP5, that's right there. Hit!
Go for the hole. The door for right. Okay. 3.
That's you 3 can go in.
Ah!
Coming behind you.
They're in red.
Oh shit. This is not a good spot.
Is there any cover back that way?
There's a tree. There's another cover, but there's somebody in it.
What do you see? What do you see?
Huh?
Oh.
You just got hit.
One in the red.
Are they in red?
Yeah.
He's right there. He's straight up behind the tree.
Watch red! Stay down. Can you get anything from around that corner?
No, I tried.
I don't know how good that pal is, but I'd say get to that if you can.
Butkowski's right in front of us.
Okay, he's got that pallet. Yeah, let me see.
I'm getting tired.
Brent, watch out. There's a guy right here behind this front pallet.
Where's his grenade?
I don't have it, and no one will know what the hell that is.
Oh! Come on! You're just kidding me.
Hey! Do you see anyone up there? Where is he?
Left side.
Left side behind the red building?
I think there's a guy on the right too.
That girl with the MP5 is screwing me over. I can't get her. She's the only one that can see me right now.
Hey, how many in the red house?
I heard that there's like 4 behind.
Sandbag!
I don't know, there's 4 people. I need your pistol. Give me your mags. Okay, you got my Wii and my blank. Here. Get down. This one's already half loaded, that sucks.
Might not even have gas in it.
That's what I'm thinking. Just keeping that one to put the full one in.
Well, when you get out, go grab some ammo for everyone. It seems like everybody's running out.
I'm fogging up too.
Coming around, Ethan.
I gotta charge my battery. My battery died. Or is dying.
Oh, we didn't get it? You guys did not get the red side?
No, we were up there, but I had to go back.
Oh, yeah. But we did some pretty good color cars.
There, that guy there.